Standing pumping side. Stand sideways to the chair, heels near the back edge, toes apart, heels together, and step your inside foot up to the pedal of the chair, holding onto the vertical pole in front of you. Lean into the chair to press the pedal down with control and hold your outside hand on your hip. This helps remind you to square off your pelvis. Pump in a slow, controlled motion with your heel lifted high, only lifting the thigh to where you can keep your pelvis stable, no higher. You can add a lower lift of the foot, but the important thing here with the knee is to keep your knee tracking right over the center line of your foot. So center of knee over second toe. In order to square off your pelvis, think about your standing leg hip pulling up towards its same armpit. So the standing leg hip is pulling up in order to keep it from drifting down and your opposite hip lifting up. So action is pull your standing leg hip up towards the ceiling, towards that same armpit. And again, make sure that your knee doesn't drift forward as you pump the pedal. It stays tracking right over the center of the foot. It's also helpful to think about pulling your lower abs in on the standing leg side and pulling your heels towards each other, especially as you press the pedal down. This is a very difficult and distal exercise, so it's a great idea for the teacher to always have one foot on the pedal throughout for safety.